Have you ever wondered what the future of smartphones could look like with advanced on-device AI capabilities seamlessly integrated? Things like real-time translation, intelligent messaging, and innovative camera features that use AI to enhance photos and videos far beyond filters and effects? Well, Samsung is aiming to make that AI-driven future a reality right now for Galaxy device owners. With the launch of their new Galaxy AI platform, they're bringing serious artificial intelligence directly onto your phone without needing an internet connection. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Now, if you watched Samsung's big Unpacked event this year, you likely noticed one major theme. Artificial intelligence was front and center. For the first time ever, software actually took top billing over the latest hardware during Samsung's keynote. And specifically, it was all about their new on-device AI capability called Galaxy AI. Samsung is clearly looking to compete with all the AI hype we're seeing lately around things like ChatGPT and Google Bard. They want a slice of that next-gen AI pie. But what exactly is Galaxy AI? How does it work? And what can it actually do for you as a Samsung device owner? Well, that's what we're breaking down in depth today. We'll discuss how Galaxy AI functions, the different AI-enhanced features you can access, which Samsung devices get the functionality, and ultimately why this marks a major shift in Samsung's software strategy going forward. So, whether you're a current Samsung phone or tablet user or are thinking of becoming one, you'll want to understand what Galaxy AI is all about. Let's get into it. What is Galaxy AI? All right, Galaxy AI 101. Here's what you need to know. At the most basic level, Galaxy AI refers to Samsung's initiative to leverage on-device processing power to deliver AI capabilities without needing an internet connection. So while services like ChatGPT operate fully in the cloud, Galaxy AI runs locally on your phone or tablet. This provides some advantages like faster response times, enhanced privacy and security, and lower data usage for the user. Samsung first teased the idea of Galaxy AI back in late 2023, but the new S24 series phones are the first to really showcase its potential. There are three core components of Galaxy AI focused on coding, language, and imaging. Gauss code, used internally by Samsung developers to optimize software efficiency. Gauss language powers natural language processing for chatbot-style features. It's tuned for summarizing, translating, generating text responses. And Gauss Image enables image generation and editing just by using text prompts, similar to AI services like DALL-E or Midjourney. So, in a nutshell, those are the foundations of Galaxy AI. On-device AI processing tailored to coding, language, and imaging use cases. Features and capabilities. Okay, with the basics down, what does Galaxy AI let you actually do with your Samsung devices? Well, the new S24 phones just launched with a ton of AI-enhanced capabilities, including Live Translate, real-time translation during phone calls, or in interpreter mode for in-person conversations, smooth two-way translations. Chat Assist helps you chat in multiple languages across messaging and social apps by adjusting tone, fixing grammar, and spelling. Note Assist summarizes documents and creates templates in the Samsung Notes app. Great for digesting long files quick. Auto Replies summarizes incoming messages and suggests smart replies you can send by voice command. Transcript Assist generates transcripts for voice memos with speaker tags automatically. Circle to search. Just circle or highlight text images on screen to instantly run a web search on them. Edit Suggestion. Get AI recommended ways to enhance your photos. Generative Edit. Actually edit by generating new visual content. Remove objects. Add new elements. Crazy. Instant Slow-Mo. Convert standard videos into dramatic slow motion with one tap. Viral TikToks made easy. And much more powered by Galaxy AI. As you can see, we're talking some seriously advanced functionality. But the key is it's all handled locally on the device instead of the cloud, so way faster, and your personal data stays private. Samsung really focused on practical features people can use daily. AI assistance integrations. Now, Samsung isn't building the Galaxy AI system completely from scratch themselves. They're leveraging partnerships with key industry players as well. A great example is how Galaxy AI integrates closely with Google's natural language models on certain premium devices like the S24 Ultra. Specifically, specifically a large language model called Gemini developed by Google. So when you use the translate and chat features, there's some serious AI muscle backing Galaxy AI's on-device smarts thanks to Google's technology. This allows the new S24 series phones to handle even more advanced natural language processing on the fly without needing an internet connection. So you get the snappy response time and enhanced privacy. Samsung has also hinted at expanding Galaxy AI's capabilities over time across more device categories. They clearly see it as a major pillar of their ecosystem going forward. We'll have to wait and see what other manufacturers join the party, but with Google already on board optimizing Galaxy AI's language functions, more partnerships could happen. Maybe NVIDIA lending their AI research to boost imaging and graphics potential. Qualcomm supercharging the on-device processing specs. The possibilities are really exciting. For now, though, Galaxy S24 owners get the first taste of Samsung's AI-driven future. And the functionality is seriously impressive already, even in these early stages. The future of Bixby. All right. This brings up a fair question. What does all this mean for Bixby, Samsung's original digital assistant? Is Bixby getting replaced? The short answer is kind of, but not exactly. Bixby aimed to be Samsung's version of Alexa or Google Assistant, focused mainly on answering questions and controlling devices by voice. Galaxy AI represents more of an evolution into the next era of practical AI. Less about conversation, more about tangible utility. Features that actively help you translate, create content, and optimize work in apps. So, as Samsung shifts away from the standard virtual assistant model, Bixby and Galaxy AI are positioned differently. Bixby handles basic voice commands, while Galaxy AI powers more advanced on-device features. That said, as Galaxy AI expands to more Samsung products over the next few years, Bixby will likely play a gradually shrinking role in their ecosystem. Bixby just can't match the scope of functionality and overall intelligence made possible by large language models and neural networks. And Samsung has already stripped down Bixby support compared to a few years ago. Wasn't really catching on for most users compared to alternatives from Google and Amazon anyway. Our bet is eventually Bixby fades into the background even more while Galaxy AI takes over as the primary AI foundation across Samsung's portfolio with more practical uses. But out of the gate, with the S24 lineup, both Bixby and Galaxy AI coexist in harmony, just focused on different areas. Bixby handles usual commands while Galaxy AI drives the cutting-edge AI capabilities. Okay, everyone, that wraps up our breakdown on answering the question, what exactly is Samsung Galaxy AI all about? And why is it so important for Samsung's future? To recap, Galaxy AI represents Samsung's big push into on-device AI. Key advantages are faster response times, better privacy, and no internet required to use the advanced features. The new S24 phones showcase it best so far with functionality like live translations, AI photo editing, video effects, and way more. Over time, Galaxy AI will likely expand across Samsung's portfolio, substituting out Bixby as their primary AI. It leverages partnerships like Google to enable even more powerful smarts through large language model integration tailored for on-device processing. And ultimately, Galaxy AI may end up being a huge selling point for Samsung phones and tablets compared to competitors thanks to such tight integration between hardware and software. Of course, the technology is still evolving quickly, so share any questions you have about Galaxy AI and the AI features on the latest Samsung devices. We'll have more updates coming as Samsung reveals additional details. Be sure to hit subscribe and that notification bell so you never miss our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.